CEO Michael Uganda YouTube channel kwoli mbaniriza mwenna bagenda maaso n'okuba nti ate mutulaba mukyali eyo eno bintu byatabuse dda. Kakati video eno jimpereka like gwe wenna atanaba ku likinga video eno nawe atanaba ku subscribinga ogwange gwa kubaweereza ogwame gwa ku subscribinga na ku likinga mukyali eyo n'ebintu byatabuse dda. Kapo yaffe gye tubadde tulinamu essuubi omwami gwe tubadde tulinamu essuubi okubanga y'omu ku abo abawangadde nga bali ne Zari ebintu bitabuse. Mulowooza Shakib takwatidde Zari mu bwenzi? Mulowooza Diamond Platinum ne Zari teba kugamba ekyokuba nti bayawukana comparenting tebagitute ku level endala. Shakib munyiivu atabuse n'avuma Zari bubi nnyo lwaki aleese Diamond Platinum ewaka gy'abasanze. Ngenda kuba nti atemba wa video ya Zari ne Diamond olabe olutalo lubaddewo nga Shakib abakwata.
Diamond Platinums, wallahi billahi talai, didn't tell me he's coming to South Africa. There's my man, Shakib Lutayo, there's my man. He calls Okalachi, Olinani, Oliwa. You know those O. I swear, us Ugandans, we love the O. Oliwa, Olinani, Okalachi, Okomao, D,
Hey,
no, we do. Us Ugandans, we love that whole shit. Like the whole shit. Like Oliwa, Olinani, Okomao, Di, Olibichi, like oh. Like Tifali Mukubuza Tata way 1 2 3. Tewangambie Diamond agenda kuja. Bichi. Nemwa muna nzembadde simanyi Diamond agenda kuja. Ngakuya, why Samsajo? I'm like, I didn't even know he's coming. Wallahi billahi talai lado kunkwira nabana nawa desimayinti tatifa we yakubide abantu abayine simu ye mu nyumba like my sons Namua Masimga, my sons, all of them. And then I've got a step brother, I've got a niece, I've got my maid. I actually have 2 maids, and then I have an au pair. Like with my kids, I have 3 like assistants for my kids. So one of them, the one more password, and it's like, oh blah blah blah. And then my husband started tripping. One more decimal access code. Shut up. Can you just shut up, GT? And it's like, oh, one more the access code. Okay. I'm like, I don't even know. So Lutaya, and again on, and then he's just saying, yeah, Ocha Galatata Vanabo, or more destimu, knowing ground. It was somewhat destimune, obusibu anwe to weda. Let me tell you something about where we stay. You either enter with a fingerprint, you enter with a face recognition, or you enter with biometrics. I already said that. Or you enter with like a password or a passcode. So I literally need to put in like so and so is coming to see me from Kusawanya mpaka Kusamkaga. Nentekam details zo, nesimu yo ne ID number nebitekam. Bange ye teyabikiriza. Era wamuyise gwa muyise nze Saturday densha tatifa agena na kujano. When I woke up in the morning, I'm like, oh, it's our daughter's birthday. Like, she wants this, like, he sent me money. I don't want to lie. Let me tell you something, like, I don't want to fucking lie. Anything that involves his kids, when I want money, he sends it. Katia, where is that sent as a birthday? So then I told Latifa, like, oh, Papa sent money for your birthday and he sent this much, you can spend this much, you can do ABCD with this much. Like, he sent money. One thing for sure, wallahi billahi, nembuza eno live, musa anokubuza Diamond. Wallahi billahi nze teyangambye kombo agenda kuja. Niye yampeleza sente. Muwala wanga ina birthday, ayagala kino na kino. Sentence kuwereza yampereza sent. And then he's like, oh, you and your baby daddy. I'm like, yeah, but me and my baby daddy, what did we do? Like, it's a motherfucking birthday and it's his kids and then I am the mother, okay? It's his kids. Hashtag his kids, hashtag I am their mother. So it's not like tugenda kutula walinga twetunulidde mbutwenyigidde mbwe no. Mune msaya bamuereza code nze simanyi kuba mu nyumba muno. I've got my nephews, I've got my stepbrother, abayina essimu ze n'abaana bonna okuva kupukako nga kunga waliwo ekibaddewo oba ne mukeera ku makya emmotoka enkubi oba ki nga sobola kwogera. Eno essimu gye musobola okukeera ku makya ne mukuba. Era we mugikuba eno essimu ngenda kufuna obujanjabi, bajja kuntwala mu ddwaliro ez'ebbeeyi, bajja kunkola bino ne bankola biri nabawa essimu ezo. Kati naye talina buzibu kukeera ku makya nga ngenda kubira Rafael mugambe mumpe password eyingira ewamwe. Okay.
Aruna.
Fast forward, my husband is out here. Oh, you and your baby daddy. Oh, blah blah. I'm like, oh, me and my. What did I do? What did I do? Ne Haruna, Olaga.
When my sister, I'm not going anywhere. Trust me.
Mune. So it became a whole big story. Like right now, I'm sorry that I have to do. JT, can you please just Aruna va again?